Hi, this is Jack from Alpha Charts with a stocks to watch video. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. Also, if you haven't not become a super follow my Twitter page yet, go ahead and do that. I appreciate it. Tons of information that I share there, special only for super follows, including my top setups of the week and expanded stocks to watch. Longer term looking at things are going to be setting up over the next few weeks. I do my long view video every other week. This will be a week I do a long view video. I do a midweek video for my super follows. I follow up on my top setups. I also do a midweek note on Thursday, midweek video on Tuesday, note on Thursday. I do daily scans every single day of my best scans. I've created a community where I'm posting everything, and people also that are super followers can post within the community. My DMs are open. If anybody has questions, I answer them thoroughly and completely for them. And tons of other content. So if you're interested, go to my Twitter homepage, click on super follows, and join up. I think there is a ton of value for everybody there. I kept the price very, very small because I believe everybody can be successful in this market. So anyway, I don't want the price that you guys pay to diminish. If you have a small account or something like that, I want to make sure that it's affordable for everybody. Anyway, that's my pitch for the super follows. Please go ahead and check it out again on my Twitter at AlphaCharts365. Thanks. All right, let's get into the markets. Qs, just like SPX and everything else, as we talked about in my stocks to watch video yesterday, got rejected either close to or at the 200-day moving average, and now we have to see. These didn't quite work exactly right, but we'll find out if these this area right here is still valid to hold as potential support. We'll see. There's your 23-day. So what's setting up? Because I think we get a good feel of the market by looking at what's setting up. So I'm going to go through these rather quickly. Jot down what you like, know your earnings dates. Okay. End phase. Clean energy is still holding up very, very well. So end phase, I like this one over here quite a bit. If it comes back and kind of retests this area, would love it even more. Plug power. Again, I'm watching these pullbacks and we'll see what happens. Kind of got rejected over here. You kind of see where this was like that, and we'll see how far this pulls back, right? So far, low volume. D, Consolidated Edison. Again, a lot of these I haven't drawn in the resistance yet because I did my work this morning, but you can see how this is an area I expect the pullback, and then we'll see. First Solar, again, all these are clean energies type names, very strong, has a flag going, kind of like this, right? And we'll see what happens. What else? SHLS, again, more solar, clean energy type names. Again, broke out. Now it's kind of going sideways, and we'll see what happens. But, there's your 23-day, not too far below. If we can kind of get a retest, that could be a nice risk reward. Now, old energy, dirty energy, whatever you want to call it. You have Denbury, DEN, something like that, right? Breaking out way extended, though. May need some time to consolidate or pull back. Oxy, Uncle Warren bought into this one, and probably will be buying more. It just totally broke out of this. Yep. This was obviously the spot. Now you're back up here, and we can potentially move this actually now over here. And we'll see if we get the little pullback and then the breakout. And then that would be the next move higher. And then these all oil and gas type names. There's EQT. Again, beautiful spot right here. Trying to make this kind of cup and handle-ish look to it. I love how it's just kind of consolidating right here, going sideways, looking good. CLR, same type of idea, kind of just come back around, and there may be some resistance up here, and then we'll see what happens. RRC, same idea, you have this kind of cup and handle look to it. Again, a lot of these oil and gas names are, somewhere in there. Are looking really, really good and consolidating right below this resistance type area. CRK, again, very similar looks to them. So if you like these, pick the ones you like, or you can always pick the ETF. Again, looks very XOP, looks very, very similar. I had one more here. Yeah. So this one kind of already broke out, maybe a leader, like this one quite a bit. NEP, right? Extra energy. Again, you could just see right here. And I think it was, there we go. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with this one, but whatever. You see, this is the area right there. So just be aware of it. What else we got here? LNG, Cheniere. Again, super strong mover. It's up here. Again, it's a little bit extended. Maybe we get a little pullback or flag like this, right? That's what I'd be looking for if we're going to get something like this right into the, I do the 9-day, right? Because it didn't quite make it to 23-day. So right into the 9-day, boom. I think that's a place to potentially manage risk against. SRE. All right, right there. Come up here again. It's extended. Wait for the pullback, and then we'll see what happens. It could pull back all the way to 167-ish, which is right where the 10-day is. That'd be okay. What else? AEP. Again, these are utilities, right? Nothing exciting here. I think this is telling us something about the market too. What is going up? If utilities are going up, it's the type of market we're in. CLH. Nice little flag right over here that's creating. I kind of like that. Right. Again, it is kind of extended right now. May need some more time. ERII. Again, kind of a steep flag. I don't like it so steep. I think it needs a little bit more time. Maybe let the moving averages catch up. DAR. Breaking down a little bit here. We'll see if it holds or not, but it's on my watch list. NEE. Again, creating a sort of flag. And again, may need a little bit more time to catch up, but we'll see. Very strong, as you can see over here. Maybe overhead supply up in this $93 area. Maybe not. What else? XCL. Strong. A little bit of selling pressure. It may need a little bit of time. May chop around. May come back a little bit. Again, it's why this is stocks to watch. Then some staple names, right? Like General Mills, GIS. Looking pretty good right over here. HSY. Again, if you want to look at areas, it's kind of breaking out of this general area right here. Good volume too. Pepsi, PEP. Just, nice little kind of broke out of here. Right? That was a breakout. And now it's going sideways, letting the moving averages catch up. Everything looks pretty bullish there. Kroger came back and consolidated kind of right over here, and now it's turning around, making the right hand side of a base. And look how all these moving averages are starting to get aligned. Bullishly right here, right? Needs a little bit more time, but it's starting to really work. I think you can manage against the 200-day or even the 23-day that's rising. That's probably where I would hold it right against the 23-day if I wanted to be in the same. SFM, Sprouts Farmers Market. Beautiful flag right here. Broke out, and now it's moving higher. And then you now play it against this area potentially. Maybe it needs to pull back just a little bit, maybe $30.50 or so, and then it could break out, and that'd be very bullish. A few more here. Twinkies, TWNK. Again, these aren't the most exciting names, but it's what looks the best in the market right now. Cal-Maine Foods, egg producers. Again, these are all staples. But look, that's a nice setup right there. So take what the market's giving you. ELF, they do makeup. Again, just stair-stepping higher. Every flag is being bought, riding this 9-day. If you have a 10-day, probably fits even better. Riding it higher. That's ELF. Kellogg's, K. Again, breaking out of this general area. Right there. Looks pretty good. ADM, Archer Daniels, Midland. Again, making the right-hand side of the base. Nice little ride up. Things look like they're starting to turn. 200-day never slowed down. 50-day looks like it wants to start to flatten and move higher, and everything will be bullishly aligned. Again, maybe needs to consolidate right in here. That's fine. And then it can make, kind of like an inverse head and shoulders or something, right? Maybe it comes up to here, $91, pulls back, and then could then break out. So something to watch. Fertilizer name in BG. If I type it right, there's BG. Nice little flag right here. Going sideways. Love the look of that. CF was in this group. You're gonna write this one down, this one. CF. CF. And did my internet go down? Let's try a different one. CTVA. There you go. CF. So you have this area right here. It's kind of flagging right here. Everything looks really good. Everything's getting bullishly aligned. 50 days moving back up again. That looks real nice. CTVA. Right over here, nice little kind of cup. Maybe it's making the handle right there. Something to watch. And last one, Lamb Western. Again, just kind of flagging out, not doing anything wrong, letting the moving averages catch up. Again, it's a nice looking chart. Maybe you have some overhead stuff going on here. Right? But I think that it looks pretty good. All right. So there you go. Stocks to watch. What did we see? We saw clean energy. We saw dirty energy. We saw utilities and staples. That's what the market's giving us right now, which means be careful out there. Hope you all have a great day. Good luck. Again, if you're interested in super files, and like and subscribe on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.